Chemistry has some very large numbers and some very small numbers, and one way of simplifying those numbers is to use what we call scientific notation. Here's a number expressed in scientific notation: 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. The 23rd is called the exponent, and it's the number of times that the 10 is used to that power. 6 with the decimal after it, that's the standard position for the decimal. And when we have an exponent that's positive, it indicates that the true position of the decimal lies that many places to the right. So if we were to convert this number into scientific notation to its regular long form that you might be more familiar with, we'd need to move the decimal 23 places to the right. If I did that, we could move it 1 and 2. There'd be 21 more zeros after the 6.02. Indeed, this is a very large number, so it greatly simplifies things, and it's a lot easier sometimes if we use scientific notation. For more explanation and examples of other depictions of scientific notation, click to view a video lecture about scientific notation, as well as how to multiply and divide using scientific notation numbers.